How is steel made? As the saying goes, it is difficult to make steel without 100 times of tempering. Teddy, Shandong JHT Steel Co., Ltd., bringing you the process of steel refining. First of all, some waste iron is used as raw material. Recycled scrap iron. Pour it into a hot furnace in the factory. The strong current generated by the electrodes causes the temperature in the furnace to reach 150 degrees Celsius. What properties of steel are required? And the technicians at Shandong JHT Steel Co., Ltd. will add the corresponding chemical elements to help metal melt. Fluorspar is also added. Alloy steels of various grades. That's how it's made. During the melting process, workers make constant chemical adjustments to minimize sulfur and nitrogen and hydrogen content in molten steel oxide. To ensure the purity of the steel, the amount of decarbonization must be greater than 0.2. This is the most important key point. Next, workers transfer the melted metal to be refined outside the furnace. Aluminum lye is then added to prevent the steel from oxidizing. The principle is to allow the excess carbon and other impurities contained in the liquid steel to be converted into gas and slag discharge. This is followed by the casting process. Pour liquid steel under and on both sides of the mold. When the steel is cooled and solidified, it is a cast block. The blocks are then reheated in a rolling mill. Shandong JHT Steel Co., Ltd. technicians carry out forging treatment according to customer requirements. After forging to customer requirement standard, the workers will use a water cannon to remove the oxidized rust. Normally, an ingot of this size would have to be forged by several machines, will form large engineering parts. The forged steel is transferred to a hot furnace and reheated. Finally, a lathe is used to remove the rust produced during heat treatment. So the steel is made. If you need to buy steel, you are welcome to telephone consultation at any time.